is an Ulrich 1616 production. I'm leaving the rest up to my girl Ani, so, peace out, y'all.
Did you just say something? My name is Edward Elric. I am... How old am I again? Right. 17 years old. I have a girly voice. Well, today I do. I am a deformed plushie. Shh. Blankets are supposed to talk. Sorry, that's my niece. You will not know her name. No, turn around. I got a sack in my hair. What? No, you get no cookie. The blankets will not attack me again. Please no.
But I will the one.
Please
Okay.
no! Oh my gosh, no! So, as I was saying, I'm like totally, dizzy right now. I think I'm actually gonna fall for Mustang. Just kidding. I am totally and madly in love with this girl. Her name is Lily Roscoe. She is so, free. Yeah. And I'm dizzy. And I'm a deformed plushie. So, Blankets don't suck! I am a deformed plushie. I have a little arm. Look at my little arm. Look at it. Look at it.
Little arm.
Ow, would you shut up? My little arm. And my deformed leg.
Deformed leg.
That's hers in his face.
Hair and face.
Oh god. Oh, Zach's gonna kill us. I am deformed.
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 What
Which Java? Which Java? Which Java?
What Java?
Which Java?
What Java?
Which Java?
What Java?